Welcome to Lubera, the Swiss fruit plant producers and breeders. My name is Markus Kobelt, I'm founder and breeder of Lubera. Today we are talking about Desert King, this fig. You wouldn't imagine that there exists a fig with this color. Green, white, sprinkled, a little bit of yellow, very fresh, but it's 100% ripened. If you make like this, you feel it's liquid. And this is the inner side of this fig. Look at it. It's almost liquid and red. And look at the colors. Red, white and green. So a fantastic color for this fig and very different of all other figs. Perhaps this is the reason it's named Desert King, because it's different. Because desert, otherwise I cannot explain, because also this fig needs water, a lot of water, like other figs too. So Desert King is a San Pedro variety. So it has only a summer crop. So it's cropping on the buds which were developed in last year's wood in the autumn, and these are developing little figs in winter, and then if they survive, in spring they are beginning to grow, and in summer, in July, August, you can have these fantastic figs. With San Pedro figs you have no autumn crop, because in autumn this variety, a San Pedro variety, needs a pollinator, and that pollinator doesn't exist in Northern Europe, also not here in Oregon where I'm doing this video, and so you have only one crop. But the crop is then when you love the figs the best, in summer, in August. And now let me eat them. Very important, a fine skin, not a thick skin. So you like to eat it, and then it's almost liquid and sweet, like only figs can be. And sometimes in figs you have a little bit of green hint in the aroma. Here it's almost no green hint. It's sweet, fantastic and refreshing because it's so liquid. I would imagine having it in a fridge for some hours before. To have it cool now would even be better. So a fantastic variety with fantastic colors. Where can you plant it? You know, it has to survive the winter. For the wood of this variety, that's no problem. It's very winter hardy and go till minus 16, 17 degrees. But the buds which are developing at the end of last year's wood, look here, last year's wood, and here you have a fig. These buds have to survive in winter because they have already developed the very minuscule, very small figs. So you have to plant, I think, at a wall in a protected site, very sunny, so that in winter it has a protected place, or if you have it in a pot, you have to have it in a protected site over winter, and then in spring it begins to grow, and in July, August you can have this fantastic figs. Look again, I'm breaking it out, open, it's almost liquid. Green, white and red, Desert King. A fantastic San Pedro variety which is having summer fruits and no autumn fruits. But the summer fruiting time is at the best time in July, August, when you like to eat fresh figs in the garden. Go on gardening. Where have all the flowers gone? I know where. Here you go to Lubera UK with all our breedings and thousands of more plants. Here you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and now pick the flowers.